question 5 on the 2023 Higher Engineering Science paper shows us a variable temperature soldering iron, and we are told that it uses a two-state control system to turn the heating element on and off, and to monitor its output to maintain the desired temperature. And we're being asked to complete this control diagram for the soldering iron below. Now, it's 3 marks, and that's for doing 3 things. The first one here is that we need to draw in the part of the control that's missing. So we've got a temperature sensor and our desired temperature, and we want those things to be put into an error detector. Ooh, dodgy circle there, folks. Our desired temperature should go into the positive section, and the temperature sensor should go into the negative there. And after our control unit, I'm going to want to say that we need an output driver. The SQA here will accept just driver or transistor or MOSFET, but I think output driver is the clearest. And then the next bit's our actual output element, so that is our heating element. And that is what gives us the soldering iron temperature. That's a straightforward 3 marks there. Just make sure you get your error detector and the negative feedback configuration correct.